Nokia, one of the oldest and most iconic smartphone brands, is making a comeback. After being away from the spotlight for a while, Nokia is now set to upgrade one of its classic smartphones with 5G capabilities. If you're looking for an affordable yet powerful 5G smartphone, this could be the perfect choice for you. So, if you're searching for an iPhone-like experience without breaking the bank, you need to know about the Nokia 6600 5G smartphone. In today's video, we'll dive into the full features, price, and expected launch date of this device. Let's start. Features of the Nokia 6600 5G. Nokia's new smartphone is packed with some amazing features. First up, you get a 5.65-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth and vibrant visuals. Or the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7, making it durable and scratch-resistant. Camera quality. When it comes to the camera, the Nokia 6600 5G doesn't disappoint. On the back, you'll find a single camera setup, with a 108-megapixel primary sensor, with 60x optical zoom, perfect for capturing stunning details. For selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera. Processor and performance. Under the hood, the Nokia 6600 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G processor, ensuring top-notch performance for gaming, multitasking, and more. Or it runs on the latest Android 15 operating system, offering a smooth and user-friendly experience. Battery life. The phone is equipped with a massive 7500 mAh battery, which supports 55-watt fast charging. This means you can enjoy hours of usage without worrying about running out of power. Plus, it comes with a Type-C charging port. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. The Nokia 6600 5G is expected to be priced at around $150, making it an incredibly affordable option in the 5G smartphone market. As for the launch date, the device is expected to hit the market by the end of this year.